For the most detailed information on what your student is doing in class, visit the class website. I've included the URL on the pamphlet handed out. I'm going to go through the different buttons at the top so that you can know which one you want to visit. So this first one, assignments or quick reference, it's just going to have a list of assignments that are due in the near future. What did I miss is a good place to go if your student is absent or for very detailed information on what they're doing in class. When you click on your student's class, you will see a list of the days of the week, what I would like to do under the daily agenda, what work was assigned or in progress, what work was due that day. And then here we have a column for what did we do. However, this week hasn't occurred yet, so I'm going to go to an older week so we can see what that looks like. So here is what we actually completed. And as you can see, it doesn't always match up with the daily agenda. You may need to go to the bottom to scroll over in order to see the notes and the links. Up here as well, there is a materials link. The materials will show all of the materials that we use in class from the beginning of the year to the very end. So if you go down here, here's the first sheet that I gave students. This is the letter that they were to bring home. And then here's lab safety, metric, properties, and I'll just add on as we go throughout the year. These are the videos separated by content that I make for the flipped classroom environment. So if they ever want to go back and get a different look, they are right here. The calendar has due dates. They're written a little bit more neatly than in the weekly agendas over here. So if you scroll down, you can see that I write the due dates into the calendar. And I try to keep this as up to date as possible, just like with the weekly agendas. Announcements, there is a remind feed. So if you receive remind texts, which the information to do that is on the pamphlet as well, they post up here if you aren't able to receive them. If you scroll down, there are also announcements for the class. I don't really update that too frequently. SOL prep, as it says in the course description, the class covers, or the SOL covers 6th through 8th grade material, and that can be a little bit daunting. I can't remember last year, let alone expect them to remember 3 years of content. So I've posted review materials if they would like to start. Fun links, that sort of thing. Students will get assignments via Google Classroom. Unfortunately, parents do not have access to Google Classroom, so you'll have to ask your child to log in for you so that they may see you may see the calendar. Now, it's going to be a little bit different looking than this screen right here. Obviously, I have the teacher screen where it says how many are done, how many are not done. Your student should have a calendar, and the calendar should include the due dates of all the things listed.